Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, I thought I would switch it up and do a face down view because I've seen some comments on other videos where people find it really hard to see the products when we're just holding them up into the camera and they get a little bit blurry and stuff. So I figured I'd try this face down view, so let me know in the comments down below if you like this better. But today I'm going to be doing the Hermine box. Now this is a self-care or self-love box. This costs $49.95 US a month, and I will have all the price conversions down there for us Canadians as well. Now there is free shipping in the US, and I will put the shipping cost for Canadians. So this is the Hermine Deluxe box, and I believe they also have a mini box as well. I'll try to put that information down in the description below, but I do get the deluxe one. So they say you're going to get 5 to 8 deluxe sample size products in here. You can discover new brands, and they're all brands by women, made for women. And there is a curated theme for each month. So as you can see here, our theme for the month is Feet Treat, Pamper Your Deserving Feet. And on the back, it says, your feet deserve self-care too, and we hope you spend some time focusing on them each day. We selected some items that will help you pamper your deserving feet. So this is what the packaging looks like here. And up top, it also says that you can snap it and share it on Instagram. And it says, thank you for supporting our small business. So that's kind of cool. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. We get this welcome to our sisterhood card. And on the back, it just gives some information there about them. And then this is the theme for the month, so Feet Treat. So we do get a brochure every month, and this is the April 2022 box, if I hadn't mentioned that. And it does show us all the products in here, but I don't want to be spoiled, so I will go over that later in the video if you want to see a little bit more in depth about the products. But on the back, it does give us a spoiler for the next month. So May's theme is all about face love. So we must be getting some more face products in next month's box, which will be kind of fun too. And the brochure does have really nice descriptions for all of the products too, but I am going to put this to the side for right now, and we're just going to dig into the box. So the first thing I see here in this nice little bag, and this would be a nice bag that you could reuse, but the first thing I see here is, I think these are socks. Yes, these are socks. Oh, these are so soft too. Oh, those are really nice. And I like that they're not too tight at the top. So I suppose once we're finished doing all of our foot treatment, we have these cute little socks that we can put on and protect our feet. And it says in the brochure to pamper yourself with these spa socks. They are infused with aloe and just feel so snuggly soft, and they do feel extremely soft. So I'm excited to try these on after, you know, all of our foot care stuff. Now, the next thing I see here is this. Oh, this is a lip mask. Okay, I couldn't find this in the brochure at all. And it says, enjoy this paraben and dye-free lip mask. So that's kind of cool. So this maybe was just like an extra item thrown in. I'm not sure, but that's kind of neat that they did that. Then I see this funky looking thing, and I want to get this out. It is a roller, and it says here that this is a wooden foot roller. Enjoy the benefits of acupressure on the go or away from home. The compact design tucks easily into your bag for on-the-go use while traveling, at the office, or after a workout. And you know what? This would be really perfect for after a workout if you're doing a spin class or something. Where you're on the bike pedaling, like this would be so nice. Or for my husband, he has plantar fasciitis, and he actually uses a hard ball to roll under his foot at night, and that helps to relieve the pressure. So I'm wondering if this would help him quite a bit, but that's pretty cool. So you can kind of use this to give your feet some relief at night. The next thing that I see here is this Tangy Tropics soy wax candle, and it says it's in lime, grapefruit, lemon, and greenery. And one cool thing about this candle is it actually has a wooden wick here. Now, I've heard the difference between a regular wick and a wooden wick is this one you'll hear some little sparks coming off of it, like from a fireplace. So I might go ahead and light this up at the end of the video and just see if we can hear any of that. But my gosh, the scent, just from opening this up, I can already get that very tropical scent, and it smells so delicious. It smells so good. But I'm really excited to try this because I've never tried a wood candle before. The next thing that I see here is this another cute little item that is in a Hermine pouch. And I wonder if that's because No, this is plastic. I thought maybe that was glass or something, but this is a foot soak. So this is pink Himalayan, Dead Sea, and Epsom salts, and it's peppermint and lemon EO. I'm not sure what the EO stands for, but basically this is a soak that you can put into a foot bath. Now, let me know in the comments below, for foot soaks like this, can you throw it into the tub and then sit in the tub with it? Or is this only a foot bath thing? Because I usually don't do foot baths. I don't own a foot bath. But I do like to get into the tub, and I have thrown Epsom salts before in the tub while I've been like soaking in there, but I'm not sure if this would be tub appropriate for all of the areas that would be under the water. So let me know if you guys know anything about that down below. But basically it says to put it in some warm water and then to soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes, and it says relax, 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 which I am so for, but I just don't have a foot tub, so we'll see. Now I'm interested what this thing is with the wooden spoon here, and this is a invigorating foot scrub. Ooh, and it says it's in peppermint, so that'll be really nice. It says apply a small amount to the palm of your hands, gently massage into water moisturized skin using circular motions, and then rinse thoroughly. So I guess you've got this cute little wooden spoon here so you can dip into the container. And I love this little cute washi tape here. That's cute as well. And let me see if this is sealed. No. Ooh, that is so pepperminty. That is very pepperminty, but it smells so nice at the same time. I love a good peppermint smell, so I'm really excited to try that. And I decided to put the washi tape back on just so that I don't end up losing this little spoon. The next thing I see in here is this Moisture Repair Beeswax Foot Balm. Okay, so this must be once we've got our feet all scrubbed up and rolled out and soaked and everything, then this must be our moisturizing foot balm. So that's what it looks like there. And the ingredients are organic shea butter, beeswax, coconut oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, essential oils of peppermint, rosemary, and tea tree. It says here it's formulated to soothe and intensely moisturize overtired and dry feet. Apply as needed. Our favorite is massage into the feet before bed, sleep with socks on, which would be perfect with our little socks that we got, and then wake up with soft, silky feet. Who doesn't want that? So I'm super excited to try this out. And then the last thing I see in here is, oh, this is about the foot pain roller brochure. So this must be a little brochure about that. Okay, so it says a few instructions. While seated, roll barefoot back and forth along the foot pain relief roller. Acupressure nubs come in contact with the foot to relieve pain. It says the Kanjo foot pain relief roller effects are best facilitated when used with bare feet. For some, this may be overwhelming, and socks can be worn to reduce the sensitivity of the acupressure nubs. If it's your first time using the foot roller, we recommend a 15-minute session to start, followed by longer sessions as you become accustomed to the foot roller. And then it says you just spot clean with a dry cloth and air dry. So that's kind of cool, and a little demonstration of it there. So I'm really excited to try everything in this box. I think I would actually use everything in this box. So far, I'm really impressed with this box. Let me know, can I say box any more times though? But let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this. I think it was worth the purchase for me, and I'm definitely going to repurchase because I'm excited for May's theme. Yeah, it was Face Love. So I'm excited for that. Oh, and let's go ahead and try the candle real quick now as well. Can you guys hear that? I can hear little tiny sparks like from the wood, just little puck, puck, puck. That is really cool. So I don't know if this is showing off in camera, but I can definitely hear that. So that is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and blow this out. If you guys enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more unboxings, then be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified of when I post my videos, because I'm just going to be posting them as I get them. I don't really have a real schedule right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one.